Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to create custom columns in Power Query. I have a sales data here. We have to create two custom columns, one performance and the second one is bonus. Since everyone achieved target, we will create performance column using nested if statements based on designation and sales count. And after that, we will calculate bonus based on performance and salary. To create a custom column, go to Add Column and here click on Custom Column. Here we have to give the column name. Here we have to write the if statement. We have to write formula here. In square bracket, you can enter column name manually. Instead of that, use this list. If designation is equal to executive and sales is more than 700, then we want output as excellent. Else hold Ctrl and press enter so that you can write another if statement. If designation is equal to associate and sales is more than 600, then we want output as excellent. And for other records, we want output as good. Here you can see that our formula is correct. Click OK. Now the performance column got created, and based on this column, we have to calculate bonus. Go to Add Column, click Custom Column. Now the column name is bonus. Now the formula is if performance is equal to excellent, then salary has to be multiplied by 10%. Here Power Query will not calculate number with text like this. So enter 10% in number form like this. Else salary has to be multiplied by 5%. Bonus column got created. Now to send this data back to Excel, go to Home tab and click on Close and Load. This is how we can create custom columns using nested if conditions in Power Query. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.